Fascinating facts about hyenas, nature's misunderstood marvels. Hyenas consist of 4 species: spotted, striped, brown, and aardwolf, each with unique traits. Their social structure is matriarchal, led by dominant females, showcasing complex group dynamics. Hyenas communicate using various vocalizations, including whoops, giggles, and growls, conveying emotions. As scavengers and hunters, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem, aiding in nutrient cycling. Common myths portray hyenas as cowardly. In reality, they are intelligent and skilled predators. Subscribe for more amazing wildlife insights.